Hello guys, what's up people? What's up traders? Hope everybody is good. The second day of the year, and hopefully those who are trading today, uh, the markets from your side were good, and hopefully everything uh, did go on good, and hopefully if things went south, hopefully that was a lesson, an opportunity, or a situation to draw a lesson from. So today I was looking at the charts, and of course another opportunity to learn a lesson, because I took two trades, and both my stop losses were hit, and for that I'll be talking about them. So without any further waiting, let's get cracking, and let's see what price offered unto us today. So from this chart, what I can really see, or what I had anticipated, is we can see if this weekly, is this a weekly? Yeah, it's a daily stroke a weekly, week constant encroachment, consequent. By this, something else I've noticed is, instead of consequent encroachment, I like, or I'm used to saying constant encroachment. I don't know how, maybe I don't know, but it's supposed to be consequent encroachment. If you hear me say constant encroachment, then I think that's wrong. It's supposed to be consequent encroachment. So as you can see from these candles, are long week. The orange line there is the weekly slash the daily week constant encroachment. Going to the weekly time frame, I guess you can see it also this week, with everything being balanced below. So yeah, and currently you can see this week's candle is above these 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 consequent encroachment, right? So dropping lower, going to the day. And something else ICT usually says is, for beginners, do not be trading during the first week of the month, because that's when we have lots of news, and I don't know, I'll take you to the through the forex factory, so that we may get to see how the news are aligned. And yeah, we, for those who are learning, you shouldn't be trading this first week. And if you should trade, you should trade on Monday, and by Wednesday, around 11 a.m. you should be done, right? So that's what I know, and I'm trying to see, and come to, I don't know, I'm trying to experiment, in short, yeah, to see whether I shouldn't, or I should be trading, right? So over here, what we can see is we have these daily week constant encroachment label there. We had this candle close above it, but the wick had done the damage lower, and we can see this other candle, it opened, rallied lower, rallied further higher, then you can see it's losing its strength. But I think with the 3 hours remaining, it will be closing above this weekly week constant encroachment. The closure above these weekly and daily week encroachment, it's a confirmation, or can be used to give us bias or confirmations. For me, the situations currently seeing it closing above, it's, to me, it's signaling, or it's showing me still we want to be bullish, right? If it closes below, then I'll be bearish. So I had interpreted to see, I wanted to see how this candle will be playing out, and dropping lower to the lower time frames. I can tell you why I did change my bias from bullish to bearish, because I was bullish, and what made me be bullish, I saw this retracement lower because market had closed where on Friday. We had this on Friday, then on Monday, then we had today on Tuesday. So over here what we can see is rally lower to the week, this consequent encroachment of the daily and the weekly candle. Then we can see this order block forming that was respected, right? So after seeing this order block being respected, and maybe in not maybe in the lower time frames, I confirmed a market structure shift that now I wanted to look for buys, and I wanted to see how this 4-hour fair value gap was reacting to price. I wanted to see it support price higher for my bullish buyers. But something that I'm happy and I got to improve on is something I've talked about my previous videos on being married to my buyers. Like if I'm bullish, right? That's something that you should not be. So I wasn't married, so I wanted to see bullish prices, but I wanted to see how price was reacting upon my key levels, right? Like this 4-hour fair value gap was to support prices higher, but upon seeing this candle close below, right? Close below this 4-hour fair value gap, and also you can see these two lines. These two lines uh, how can we call it? Are 1 hour fair value gap. I'll drop lower and let's see if that's true. So we can see it close below at around 5. So this other candle started around 9. So let's see dropping lower to the 1 hour time frame. We can see this fair value gap was respected, right? Was violated, I mean, by a candle closing below the midpoint or the consequent encroachment of this 4-hour fair value gap, and also close below these 1 hour fair value gap. Also, you can see these two lines fair value gap there, but this candle close below it, creating a fair value gap up above, right? So during 8 you can see this other candle close below, but it had rallied higher, tapped into the 4-hour fair value gap, and now I think it was to be now an inversion fair value gap because it was to support prices lower. So I saw it tap in there, right? So I was looking for trade because now the fair value gap that had been created above has been tapped into. The 4-hour inversion fair value gap had also been tapped into. So was looking for my entries for my first trade, and after I'd seen these rally higher into this 4-hour fair value gap and the close of this candle, so I had my trade I had my trade, I guess it was a 5 minutes fair value gap. I saw this drop down one, and I took my entry at around this zone, around was it this order block here, maybe a mitigation block. Okay, it was this order block, right? This order block. So upon seeing a retracement of this candle higher, I took my trade there, and of course my stop loss I was conservative. And what I mean by conservative, I didn't want to place my trade above this 15 minutes inversion fair value gap, but I wanted to place it above this 1 hour fair value gap because maybe price would revisit then rally lower. But what happened, we were taken out, right? So I was taken out with this large wick, as you can see it. Then we had this drop down, then this candle again lost strength. Then upon seeing, I took two trades at around this zone. So as I was seeing this candle retrace, I took another trade at around this at the same exact point, right? After I'd seen this candle rolling lower with my stop at the same point, because now I thought we could have revisited this 1 hour in fair value gap and also this 4 hour fair value gap. Now price couldn't rally higher, but guess what? Immediately we had this sharp candle, took me out again for the second trade, tapped into the 4 hour inversion fair value gap or fair value gap. Then you can see the sharp retracement lower. So one thing I should also be improving on is taking my sniper trades, right? Maybe taking my trades at around these zones, at key zones, at higher time frame key zones instead of the lower time frame key zones. I don't know, maybe if a given opportunity arises inside my of course kill zone, right? So my lesson for today, or what I'm learning for today, I should be learning and gaining confidence on taking my sniper trades. For instance, if I see a trade inside my higher time from key level, if I could have taken my trades here, then my stop would be kind of tight, then maybe I could have benefited. But it was of course a good trade because I had followed my rules, but my stop loss placement is what I need to refine on, and that's the thing I'll be working on. And with time, I'll be good. I will believe in myself, and for sure, this will work out. So yeah, that is it for today. That's what I did see price do today. My buyers, I wasn't married to my buyers. I changed my buyers from bullish to bearish because of violation of my points of interest, and I was right, but my stop close placement is what I need to work on. So that's what happened today, guys. So let me stop this video at this time at around this. I don't want to make it that long, and probably I'll be seeing you tomorrow. So guys, bye bye until get to see you again tomorrow. So see you.